Wake up, sunshine.
Wake up, sunshine.
Time to play.
Time to play.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Shoes on, please.
Shoes on, please.
Ready for school.
Ready for school.
Grab your coat.
Grab your coat.
Don't forget this.
Don't forget this.
Time for a nap.
Time for a nap.
Come sit here.
Come sit here.
Let's read together.
Let's read together.
What's that sound?
What's that sound?
Look outside.
Look outside.
Can you help?
Can you help?
Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song.
Pick a toy.
Pick a toy.
Listen to this.
Listen to this.
Share with others.
Share with others.
Please say sorry.
Please say sorry.
Time to rest.
Time to rest.
Let's jump around.
Let's jump around.
Time to wash up.
Time to wash up.
What's your idea?
What's your idea?
Let's try this.
Let's try this.
Can you draw this?
Can you draw this?
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up.
Find your hat.
Find your hat.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Count to 10.
Count to 10.
What do you think?
What do you think?
Let's make art.
Let's make art.
Time to stretch.
Let's make art.
Clap your hands.
Clap your hands.
Look at the sky.
Look at the sky.
Let's whisper.
Let's whisper.
Tell me a story.
Tell me a story.
Time to go.
Time to go.
Can you find it?
Can you find it?
Let's be quiet.
Let's be quiet.
Where is it?
Where is it?
What's your favorite?
What's your favorite?
Let's make a plan.
Let's make a plan.
Smile for me.
Smile for me.
Let's try again.
Let's try again.
What did you learn?
What did you learn?
Let's imagine together.
Let's imagine together.
Can you jump high?
Can you jump high?
Time for a snack.
Time for a snack.
What's that noise?
What's that noise?
Let's be kind.
Let's be kind.
Can you guess?
Can you guess?
What's in your hand?
What's in your hand?
Let's think together.
Let's think together.
Can you solve this?
Can you solve this?
Let's explore.
Let's explore.
Tell me your idea.
Tell me your idea.
Let's practice.
Let's practice.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Time for fun.
Time for fun.
Let's make something.
Let's make something.
What do you see?
What do you see?
Let's be gentle.
Let's be gentle.
Can you hear that?
Can you hear that?
What's your dream?
What's your dream?
Let's be safe.
Let's be safe.
Can you do it?
Can you do it?
Let's start over.
Let's start over.
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Let's be brave.
Let's be brave.
Can you find it?
Can you find it?
Let's imagine more.
Let's imagine more.
What's your plan?
What's your plan?
Let's be creative.
Let's be creative.
Can you follow me?
Can you follow me?
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
What do you love?
What do you love?
Let's be quiet together.
Let's be quiet together.
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
Let's stay close.
Let's stay close.
What's next?
What's next?
Let's be silly.
Let's be silly.
Can you balance?
Can you balance?
Let's take turns.
Let's take turns.
What do you hear?
What do you hear?
Let's try something new.
Let's try something new.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Let's make a list.
Let's make a list.
Kick the soccer ball.
Kick the soccer ball.
Go towards the goal.
Go towards the goal.
Let's take a stroll.
Let's take a stroll.
Check out the flowers.
Check out the flowers.
Can you spot a butterfly?
Can you spot a butterfly?
It's time to head indoors.
It's time to head indoors.
Clean up.
Clean up.
Let's enjoy a book.
Let's enjoy a book.
Which one are you interested in?
Which one are you interested in?
Flip the page.
Flip the page.
Point at the images.
Point at the images.
What can you spot?
What can you spot?
Let's sing a tune.
Let's sing a tune.
Applaud by clapping your hands.
Applaud by clapping your hands.
Stamp your feet.
Stamp your feet.
Let's dance together.
Let's dance together.
It's dinner time.
It's dinner time.
Let's prepare the table.
Let's prepare the table.
Place the napkins on the table.
Place the napkins on the table.
Please hand me the salt.
Please hand me the salt.
Consume your veggies.
Please consume your veggies.
Give broccoli a try.
Give broccoli a try.
Do you enjoy it?
Do you enjoy it?
Let's enjoy some dessert.
Let's enjoy some dessert.
Let's enjoy some dessert.
Let's enjoy some dessert.
Finish your food.
Finish your food.
Let's clean the dishes.
Let's clean the dishes.
Dry the dishes.
Dry the dishes.
Store them.
Store them.
It's bath time.
It's bath time.
Grab your towel.
Grab your towel.
Remember to grab the soap.
Remember to grab the soap.
Clean your face.
Clean your face.
Wash your hair.
Wash your hair.
Get dry.
Get dry.
Get ready in your pajamas.
Get ready in your pajamas.
Remember to brush your teeth.
Remember to brush your teeth.
It's bedtime.
It's bedtime.
Let's enjoy a story.
Let's enjoy a story.
Do you enjoy this one?
Do you enjoy this one?
Please switch off the light.
Please switch off the light.
Please switch off the light.
Bedtime hug.
Have a good night's sleep.
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 Wake up time.
Wake up time.
Let's grab some breakfast.
Let's grab some breakfast.
Do you want some cereal?
Do you want some cereal?
Do you want some cereal?
Let's prepare.
Let's prepare.
Let's prepare.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Watch out when you cross.
Watch out when you cross.
Check out the ducks.
Check out the ducks.
Let's head to the park.
Let's head to the park.
Would you like to give them some food?
Would you like to give them some food?
Let's swing together.
Let's swing together.
Higher.
Higher.
Do you want to slide down?
Do you want to slide down?
Let's play tag.
Let's play tag.
Try to catch me if you can.
Try to catch me if you can.
Let's have a rest.
Let's have a rest.
Take a seat right here.
Take a seat right here.
Drink some water.
Drink some water.
It's time to head home.
It's time to head home.
Did you enjoy yourself?
Did you enjoy yourself?
Let's give it another go.
Let's give it another go.
I enjoy hanging out with you.
I enjoy hanging out with you.